Vijay, are these headlines concerning for you? Do you think this is going to ultimately be material for Tesla?
We don't think so. I think you've seen, and obviously it will be material in terms of the recall, but we think given electric vehicles are so new, you are going to see these rolling, recalls with multiple OEM, multiple suppliers, right? So, but a lot of these could be software over-the-air updates that could be resolved fairly quickly. So. Again, I think this is a new segment, so you're starting to see some of these improvements that need to be put in and can be done more like a software update. So as long as it's not a major hardware update, which we don't think is the issue, these seem to be par for the course. So.
There was a piece in the Wall Street Journal about how Tesla's Silicon Valley-oriented roots really helped it stave off some of the issues related to the chip shortage that a lot of other automakers faced this year. But what about other supply chain issues like logistics and labor staffing? Are these things that Tesla will still need to contend with and be mindful of as we head into 2022?
Yeah, I do think, this is obviously a massive sector for the electric vehicle industry. And if you look at the EV market, it's growing at 100% top-line CAGR, unit CAGR over the next 10 years or so. Versus, if you look at the combustion engine side of the market with the legacy automobiles, they're declining. They're at negative 5% CAGR. So definitely, as you see these massive growth numbers, they have to bring capacity on. For Tesla specifically, we would highlight a couple of key things. Number one, they have two major facilities coming online or ramping, Texas and Berlin, that should drive 2022. Number two, supply constraints that we've seen in the last 2 years should start to alleviate in 2022. Number three, I would say the battery cost. Like battery is a big chunk of the electric vehicle cost, about 30% of the cost. Those costs should come down, especially as commodity costs are now peaking. So all those three should be a tailwinds for Tesla into 2022. And I would also remind you have some new models coming out on Tesla with semis and cyber trucks, etc. That should be a tailwind for Tesla. So we see another strong year for electric vehicles as you look at 2022. So.